morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw language. We are going to learn 3 degrees of adjectives, part 1 in this lesson. I am Miss Bogra Glatzglau, freelance language teacher. This is a free program. Thank you so much for joining with me. This slide just shows you 3 degrees of adjective. Every adjective has its 3 degrees. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Here I give you some example. Big, small, they are positive degree. Bigger, smaller, they are comparative degree. Biggest, smallest, they are superlative degree. Just keep in mind, to construct a sentence for comparative degree, you have to use the word than or more than or much than. For example, bigger than, more beautiful than. For superlative degree, you have to use the or the most. For example, the biggest, the most beautiful. That is the rules of grammar. And let me explain in Jinghpaw. Shingtan shidang a madang masum. Shingtan shidang langai krai ko shite seng ai madang masum nga ai. Dani go dandong ai madang. Shingdo yu ai madang. Graudik to my madang ni re. Ndai go gaba ai gaji ai go tandong ai madang re. Grau gaba ai grau gaji ai go shingdo yu ai madang re. Gaba diktum gaji diktum go grau diktum ai madang ni re. Gayan joy king den tha shingdo yu ai madang he langai ten tha grau ngue ga phe bang ya rai grau dik thu mai madang phe kayan tha sto na ngayang dik thum ngue ga phe bang ya rai. Okay, let's keep learning. Slide the bird slide happily. Here, big gaba I. Dog is big. Guigo gaba I. Dog is big. Guigo gaba I. Bigger than. Ta grau gaba I. Fox is bigger than dog. Ga guigo gui ta grau gaba I. Fox is bigger than dog. Ga guigo gui ta grau gaba I. The biggest, Gabadiktum. Wolf is the biggest animal among them. To Kyongo, Daidu Satni Ta, Gabadiktum Re. Wolf is the biggest animal among them. To Kyongo, Daidu Satni Ta, Gabadiktum Re. Let's learn another slide for big. Gaba I. Black heart is big. Slum achango gaba I. Black heart is big. Slum achango gaba I. Bigger than. Ta grau gaba I. Green heart is bigger than black heart. Slum asid go slum achang ta grau gaba I. Green heart is bigger than black heart. Slum asid go slum achang tha grau gaba I. The biggest gaba diktum. The biggest heart is red heart. Gaba diktum slum go slum akheng re. The biggest heart is the red heart. Gaba diktum slum go slum akheng re. Small, gaji I. Moon is small. Shitago gaji ai. Moon is small. Shitago gaji ai. Smaller than ta grau gaji ai. Moon is smaller than sun. Shitago jan ta grau gaji ai. Moon is smaller than sun. Shitago jan ta grau gaji ai. The smallest gaji dictum. Star is the smallest source of light. Shtago gaji dictum ntoi am bodre. Star is the smallest source of light. Shtago gaji dictum ntoi am bodre. Most likes to learn small. Small gaji ai. Fox is small. Kagui go gaji ai. Fox is small. Kagui go gaji ai. Smaller than ta grau gaji ai. Fox is smaller than wolf. Kagui go chikyon ta grau gaji ai. Fox is smaller than wolf. Kagui go chikyon ta grau gaji ai. The smallest gaji dictum. Dog is the smallest animal among them. Gui go tai du sat ni tha gaji dictum re. Dog is the smallest animal among them. Gui go tai du sat ni tha gaji dictum re. Tall. Gong so ai. Gong dang ai. Gong ren ai. You can use one of them. In this example, I will use gong so ai. John is tall. John go gong so ai. John is tall. John go gong so ai. Taller than ta grau gong so ai. Ta grau gong dang ai. Ta grau gong ren ai. Tom is taller than John. Tom go John ta grau gong so ai. Tom is taller than John. Tom go John ta grau gong so ai. The tallest. Gong so dictum. Gong dang dictum. Gong ren dictum. George is the tallest boy in this classroom. George go ndai laika shrin gok ta. Gong so dictum shdang share. George is the tallest boy in this classroom. George go ndai laika shrin gok ta. Gong so dictum shdang share. Short, the opposite of tall. Name I. Gudun gutot re I. You can use one of them. In this example, I will use name I. Our grandfather is short. Antia kaiji go name I. Our grandfather is short. Antia kaiji go name I. Shorter than ta grau name I. Ta grau gudun gutot re I. Our grandmother is shorter than grandfather. Antia kaidui go kaiji ta grau name I. Our grandmother is shorter than grandfather. Antia kaidui go kaiji ta grau name I. The shortest name dictum. Gudun gutot dictum. Our uncle is the shortest in the family. Antia wadigo gunding kuta name dictum re. Our uncle is the shortest in the family. Antia wadigo gunding kuta niam dik thum re long glue eye her nails are long she at lemin ni go glue eye her nails are long she at lemin ni go glue eye longer than tha grau glue eye her nose is longer than nails she at the digo lemin ni tha grau glue eye her nose is longer than nails she at the digo lemin ni tha grau glue eye the longest glue dictum her hairs are the longest part of the body Shia karani go glue dictum do shan re. Her hairs are the longest part of the body. Shia karani go glue dictum do shan re. Short gdun eye. Black robe is short. Sumri achango gdun eye. Black robe is short. Sumri achango gdun eye. Shorter than tha grau gdun eye. Red robe is shorter than black robe. Sumri akhengo sumri achang tha grau gdun eye. Red robe is shorter than black robe. Sumri akhengo sumri achang tha grau gdun eye. The shortest gdun dictum. Green robe is the shortest robe. Sumri asid go gdun dictum sumri re. Green robe is the shortest robe. Sumri asid go gdun dictum sumri re. Easy loi ai. Chinese language is easy to learn. Miwaga go shrin la loi ai. Chinese language is easy to learn. Miwaga go shrin la loi ai. Much easier than tha grau loi ai. English language is much easier than Chinese language. English ga go miwaga tha grau loi ai. English language is much easier than Chinese language. English ga go miwaga tha grau loi ai. The easiest loi dictum. The easiest language is Jinghpaw language. Jinghpaw ga go loi dictum ga re. The easiest language is Jinghpaw language. Jinghpaw ga go loi dictum ga re. Difficult. Yak ai. Fishing is difficult. Ngari mai go yak ai. Fishing is difficult. Ngari mai go yak ai. More difficult than tha grau yak ai. Hunting is more difficult than fishing. Shan kui ai go ngarim ai tha grau yak ai. Hunting is more difficult than fishing. Shan kui ai go ngarim ai tha grau yak ai. The most difficult. Yak dictum. What are the most difficult jobs? Yak dictum bungli ni go pabot ni rai. What are the most difficult jobs? Yak dictum bungli ni go pabot ni rai. I hope you enjoyed this free program. Rai Jijugba Sai. Thank you very much.